got bacon,
Yeah.
sticks, mushroom, onion, green onion, meat.
Yeah. So what are we making?
Meat!
No, we're making little shish kebabs on a stick.
Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna do the first one to show you. First, take a little meat, stick it on the stick,
And then you put one of these on.
and then we'll take one of the mushrooms. We'll do it nice and easy. Stick it on the stick.
And then we go
Okay.
fry them outside.
Then a piece of bacon. All right, we'll just fold it up like that. Put it through twice, like that. Then the onion. See the
I
onion?
really don't like onions.
Yeah, you like them. And the beef.
I don't mind.
All right, then you don't have to eat the onions. Then a bacon.
Bacon. Can I give the bacon a try?
The bacon's raw.
Oh.
You can't eat this raw. And then we do a green onion. All right, another piece of meat. Onion.
Piece of bacon.
That's 5 pieces of bacon right there.
Oh.
Yeah.
We're doing the same.
Yeah. Now, put the green onion on top. Perfect. Now put yours in. Now these, I'll marinate them a little more, and then we'll take them and do the next step. Okay.
Let's light this fire, Daddy.
That's how, see? All right. You just want to put Daddy on fire, Lucia?
No.
Back up then. What's so funny? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a good shish kebab.
Is it good?
Yeah. So good.
How good is that, Lucia?
So good.
Yeah.
Look at Mommy's food.
What's your favorite part of the shish kebab?
This bacon.
The bacon?
And meat.
Yeah, nice. All right, to make some chicken ones for an encore. These are the chicken ones. Coming along just fine.